Hello, in this video I want to give you a brief introduction on handling key and mouse events of the Windows operating system in BricsCAD. For handling these events, you simply have to register your handler here. Application.pretranslate message. And of course, you should also deregister it afterwards. Your handler has to have the following signature. BricsCAD forwards in the pre-translate message event args an object of type system.windows.interrupt.msg. This object contains event information from the thread's event queue. A documentation about this struct can be found here. Now let's come to a concrete example and handle a press of the left mouse button. To do this, the message property needs to be checked for the hexadecimal value 201. So, the message property holds an integer that tells you which user input event occurred. A detailed documentation about the values of the message property can be found here. In our next example, we will handle a press of the tab key. If a key was pressed, the message property holds the hexadecimal value 100. To know which key has been pressed, the value of the vparent property needs to be checked. If the tab key was pressed, the vparent property holds the hexadecimal value 09. A detailed documentation about the keys and their corresponding values can be found here. This was my brief introduction on handling Windows key and mouse events in BricsCAD. Thanks for watching.